Grab my oatmeal, he says. Always needs his oatmeal. Always. Oatmeal's on the way, buddy!
I hate you so much!
Well, hey guys, it's SmallmouthCrush. I got my oatmeal, and we're gonna go fishing today. Super excited. My style of fishing: current, rocks, and big bass. All right, here we are. Ryan Salzman, True Bass, in my boat.
Let's go.
You're in my boat.
I'm in your
oatmeal. Super excited because we're fishing for one, and second, there's possibility to catch some big bass. Maybe a monster spotted bass, which would be awesome, dude. That's really why we're here. We're targeting some big pre-spawn spotted bass today.
Yep.
We're gonna be throwing swim baits, Alabama rigs, a variety of different crazy stuff to hopefully catch some fish. We were a little surprised. Hopefully we're not making a bad move here. It's pretty dirty right here at the ramp. Strong current, but once we get out there, we're gonna see what the conditions are like. It's chocolate milk right here, but that's not always a bad thing.
No,
You got a little chartreuse on them swim baits?
Yeah, we got chartreuse, and we might have to adjust to a crankbait. Never know.
That's right. A little rainy. We're gonna wear our life jackets today because severe current. Yes, it would be epic if SmallmouthCrush was to go in, but I might not be able to get out of here.
Dude, if I get nervous, I'm just pulling it.
Just pull. All right, let's go. That
3 pound spot, almost 2 3/4.
Maybe 2.
Made a little quick change. Nice largemouth.
There it is.
Choke. Travis doesn't trust when I have a bite. That here's one to prove it. But it's really a big bank eddy, like it sucks up
Sure.
the bank.
Yep.
Kill it?
Nah. Another bass.
Choking.
Cold.
Fat spot. Nice fat spot. On the new color, Sexy Rexy. Like this.
Well, I'm gonna catch one off the stairs. I got the stair pattern here.
stud. Freaking fat stud.
Yep.
Got him?
Yep.
Attaboy.
That's a pig.
Pig?
Yeah.
Molly.
I'll get him.
Net?
I'll get him.
I know, I'm fucking.
I know.
Alright. Here we go.
It's a good one.
Drum?
Damn it.
Oh! Oh, it's a drum!
Is it?
That's impressive. He just got you punching that fish in the face. Alright, that's enough.
Done. That's enough.
What are you doing?
Punch him in the face. We're down from the dam a little bit. You made a color change.
I did.
Citron.
Yeah, just got it's a little overcast, a hair stain in the water, and that's what we caught them on yesterday on Pickwick. So we're gonna do a little drift down the bank up there and see if they bite that.
Gotcha.
Let's go.
Hey, rig or single swim bait?
Single swim bait.
You switched it up on me, dude.
I did. I snuck up on you. I saw some on the graph, and if this thing comes up and is a bass, it'll be a stud. But I'm pretty sure we got a big drum on the line here.
Well, the tug is the drug.
It is a drug of sorts. Here he comes.
It's your old buddy, the Sheeps.
Cheeks and head.
And this is where we cut the video off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man.
Dropping cherry bombs on him, Travis.
Dude, you're like Bad Santa. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's you.
It's one of the best movies out there.
I have that vibe off of you.
Do you agree?
I mean, it's funny. I don't know.
You're a movie guy. That's not one of your movies?
I mean, it's a good movie. I mean, top 20.
All right.
I mean, we're dancing.
Okay.
That's him.
Nice, dude. You got hooked up, bro. That's a good one. Nice.
Oh, that's the one we were looking for, baby.
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome. Just pulling this little drain back here. We were gonna throw some Ned rigs, and I said,
yeah.
Travis actually backrashed my reel on accident. So I picked it out, and since it was in my hand, I said, I'll just throw it.
Right.
And she ate it. It's a good fish, brother. Pre-spawn on the new color, old Sexy Rexy 5.5 True Bass. Awesome. Oh, that's him. Big. That's going now.
There you go. A little A-rig action. Now we're just having fun experimenting.
That's right.
Large head.
And I got one on the floor.
All right, so we've been going down these banks, and these fish are just kind of hanging out in the current. Out of the current, what are you finding?
So they're basically getting anywhere they can hang right now because they're blowing 200,000 out of the dam, which 200,000, for anyone watching who isn't familiar with the Tennessee River, it's measured in cubic feet per second. And an average flow of cubic feet per second would be 35,000 or 40,000. We are quadrupling that, and what happens is it's so much current and so turbulent,
Yep.
the fish get in all the eddy pockets they
Sure.
can. And right now, it's just on the banks.
Yep.
So we're taking these True Bass Swimbaits, and it seems like the best size has really been the 5.5 inch bait. Line size has been anywhere from 17 to 20 pound fluorocarbon.
And you want a longer rod, like a 7 foot?
Even long. I'm throwing a 7.6.
Okay.
I'm not sure what you were throwing, but I'm throwing a 7 1-to-1, so I can take up a lot of line as we're coming down this current.
Sure.
And you know, you felt it. They hit it and come at you 3
yes,
feet.
you got to crank on them.
You got to hit them, man. So,
Yes.
And we're kind of zooming down this bank, so.
Now we're actually going against the current because it's hard to go with it or up against it.
Yeah, you can't fight it.
Yeah.
And if you throw this big swim bait with this current coming down, that current just pushes your bait to the bottom and you stay hung up. So bringing it out of 45 with your swim bait creates that lift.
Sure.
And allows your swim bait to kind of hang in their strike zone. When you're throwing these big swim baits, a lot of times if you're getting a lot of bites and not hooking up, it's just smaller fish that can't get this 6-inch bait in their mouth. They might, get the tail and whatnot. But if you have any of these, see these trees are flooded, throw behind them. It's creating an eddy pocket. They'll hang out behind there. Anywhere you see foam on the bank is an eddy. That's where water's kind of sitting still, right? And there's a lot of misconception with a swim bait. You think that you got to cover water. You can very much target isolated cover with a swim bait, right? So like there's a big rock right here. I throw right behind that big rock and just reel it like you would a spinner bait. It's no different. It's just very much a subtle way to target those fish. And it's so natural, man. They don't know it's fake. That's why you get a lot of bites with it. See, this kind of makes a corner right here. It has a lot of awesome eelgrass in it and hopefully fish. I don't know. Catfisherman left us a present here, Travis.
I see that.
We've had an issue with the flooding here this season. I mean, every week we're getting 3 to 5 inches of rain. So we haven't even had a week of the spillways not being ran. So it'll be really interesting what happens around the spawning time zone. If they do cut this water off, what these fish do. They should be really fat and healthy because they've been chewing. Nice eddy coming around this corner here.
Yep.
That eelgrass, baby. Oh yeah, biggest. That's what we're dealing with here, folks. That's what we're dealing with. Get it in Travis's boat. He likes that.
Uh-huh.
We're zooming now.
Yeah.
Catching any? Oh, just a few here and there. Covering a lot of water in this current. We just go zoom, you know?
Yeah. Nice boat.
Thank you, yeah. It's an awesome boat. Yeah, we know it. Really? We may go check that out, man. Thanks. I'm all about wearing the spots out. Travis, not so much. Unless we were in California, catching 6 and 7 pound spots. You might consider that.
Yes.
I'm learning the Travmeister. What makes him tick. Yeah, it's kind of one of the places. How's it going, man? Oh, we're just casting at them. A few here and there. Just burning down the bank, you know. Thanks, dude. You too. Got you some minnows? juice today. No shit. It's never normal.
No, they
No,
keep it to themselves.
Yeah, everyone's like just giving away all the secrets. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna win a tournament now. Now this water is doing something cool here. If you look, there's a backflow. If you watch the foam, it's hitting the bank and actually shooting back towards this boat ramp.
Yep.
And anytime you have that, these fish do like to hang out in that area. I say I like a whirlpool hot tub.
Ah, Time Machine hot tub. That's got to be a top 10.
That's a good one.
Is that top 10?
We'll say 10th.
Okay.
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 Okay. All right. Shoot.
We were just having conversations earlier of our favorite movies.
We were.
I'm not a big movie guy, but I got my top 10, and Bad Santa's in the top 10. And you don't think it should be? Office Space?
Oh, dude. Yeah, top 5.
Okay, good.
Okay. Yeah. What about Step Brothers we watched last night?
Yes. Yes.
What are you ranking that one?
Top 10.
Top 10.
Top
Okay.
10.
Ricky Bobby, Talladega Nights.
Never seen it.
You ever seen the one where he's an ice skater?
I don't follow race cars.
I mean, it's just a Will Ferrell movie.
No. Sorry.
Rock Hard. What's that?
Never
Walk
seen
Hard.
It. Never seen it.
Walk Hard.
Never
All right.
seen it.
Making one more cast, and
All
I guess
right.
we're gonna go hit the secret spot down there.
Okay. Well, hey guys, we're back at the ramp. Pretty fun day catching some spots. Couple bonus largemouth, all on the True Bass Swimbaits. We did throw an A-rig. You did catch a stupid one on a DT-14.
DT-14, yeah.
And
That guy.
they wanted some chartreuse in the
Yeah.
bait today. Obviously, we had some dirty water. I hope you guys got pretty good education today on how we throw these swim baits. It was fun. You know, Wheeler's not known right now for real big fish, so we had a pretty good bag, believe it or not, based on this lake. Yo, what is hot sauce?
So hot sauce.
Is that like pink? You know, you want girls to check out your ass or
Yeah,
what?
here, I'm gonna show you what hot sauce.
Hot
is.
sauce. Listen, guys, follow him, Alabama Bass Guide,
Alabama.
Instagram.
That's me, Alabama Bass Guide. So hot sauce. I did it as a joke because girls wear stuff on their butt, but that is hot sauce.
That is nice color.
It's a nice color. A little sexy
Yeah.
shad spin-off, dark back,
Right.
solid white, really good dirty water. Threw it a little bit today, had a few bites on it.
Right.
But the citron was the color of
There
choice.
you go. Well, hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in throwing swim baits now. Did we make you a believer?
I'm a believer.
We're always believers. And as always, until next time.
See you on the water.